Happy birthday, Shan!
Happy birthday, Sean. God bless. We miss you and see you next time. Bye.
Hi, Sean! Happy birthday! God bless!
Enjoy! Bye!
Hello, Sean! Happy 15th birthday! Kami dito sa mga kasama ni mama mo, binabati ka ng maligayang birthday. At always remember na love ka ni mama. At nandito siya para sa inyo at para sa mga kapatid mo, kay Angel at kay Zara at kay Baby at sa lahat ng inyong pamilya dyan. Okay? So, be a good boy. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Kirshan! I wanna greet you a happy birthday today. And I wish you a good health, more birthdays to come, and be healthy, and always be happy in your life. I wish you a nice personality too, Kirshan. I love you, I miss you, I hope to see you again. God bless! Bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. Huwag ka nang matigas ang ulo, ha? Tapos, huwag nang bugnot. Aral maigi. Love ka namin. I love you.
Kurshan, happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Sean Eric. Yan. Always remember that your mom loves you and your sisters. She always very proud sa lahat ng achievements nyo. Lagi kayo mag-iingat. Enjoy your day. God bless and happy birthday ulit. I hope na makita ko kayo soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sean. I love you so much. Tandaan mo lagi yan, miski malayo si Mama. Hopefully, sa susunod mong birthday, nandyan na si Mama to celebrate with you. Thank you, anak, for always bringing joy into our lives, for taking good care of your ates and your ate and your adings, and for your patience and understanding. Super miss you, anak ko. Bye-bye. Love you.